Assalamualaikum students, welcome to your Mount 3 Islamiat class. Dear kids, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Students, here's the topic Angels of Allah on book page number 6. On book page number 6, topic Angels of Allah. And here's the question number 1. Who are angels? Students, who are angels? Angels are the creation of Allah. Angels are the creation of Allah. And here's the question number 2. What are angels made up of? Angels are made up of holy light, means Noor. Students, today we will revise question number 1 and question number 2. Just two questions. Who are angels? Angels are the creation of Allah. Who are angels? Angels are the creation of Allah. And what are angels made up of? Angels are made up of holy light, Noor. Angels are made up of holy light, means Noor. So kids, now it's your turn to revise question number 1 and 2 from book page number 6, topic Angels of Allah. Allah Hafiz.